Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, this is fresh cauliflower and broccoli. I'm gonna cook it up in this pan. I've got some spaghetti. We're gonna cook that up in this pot. To that, we're gonna add a squeeze of lemon, some olive oil, seasoning, salt, pepper, some oregano, and finish it off with butter and some grated cheese. Hey, Mike Foster here. You know I love Italian food, you know I love pasta. Usually I like a lot of red sauce, but this one, no red sauce. This one's gonna be a killer pasta made with broccoli, cauliflower, a little olive oil and butter. I just told you what's in it. Now I'm gonna show you how to make it. I'll meet you at the stove, put this baby together. It's gonna be killer diller. The water's boiling, a little salt in there, and you take it like this, and you drop that baby in. Just don't wanna get steamed, and then we'll curl those in. While that's happening, reduce this a little. We don't wanna boil these to death. We just wanna give these a little cook. We're looking at about 10 minutes, and I'll put this whole baby together. Can't wait. All right, tell me if that's hot. That pasta has been drained and put back in this pan. The veggies are done. Now I'm gonna put this baby together. First thing we do is load this baby up with some butter. I'd say a couple tablespoons. We want that to melt. You see it? Oh yeah, you do. This will take it where it needs to be, flavor-wise. Next, put a couple cracks of salt. Put some pepper in there. Put some oregano in. Not too much, not too little. That's all the seasoning you need. Just mix that up a little. This is where you check if you have enough butter. And I think I'm just gonna put a little more, because why, cuckoo? Put a little more butter in. Okay, let that melt. Next, we're gonna take those veg, dump those baby right in. Just like that. Let's mix this all up. Oh yeah. Get that butter melted. Mix that up. I'm gonna add some olive oil. This is extra virgin. Give it a good 2 or 3 tablespoons. This is one of the keys. Tasty, delicious. Now, we're gonna put a little lemon, just to give it some acidicness. All right, let's mix that up. All right, that's looking gorgeous. All right, little bite for the cook. Why not? You're gonna finish it off with some cheese. Get it all in there. One final toss. Yeah. And I'll serve this up and show you a nice big close-up. I'm just gonna finish this off with a little, this is shredded versus grated parm. And there's your close-up. What's next? Big bite coming up. All right, there it is. That's the finished product. But it's not killer and it's not diller. Unless it's the sweet babu. Let's check it out. First off, you get that tanginess of the cheese. Get that earthiness of the olive oil. Of course, the fresh veg, but pasta's good too. Creamy. But no, it gives it a little tang. That lemon. Oh. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Subscribe to it and tell people about it. Till next time, manja. Peace.
Live life 365.
That's looking good. Hate to say it, but it's perfect. That's a baby if I ever saw one. Oh. I'm being pig. Mommy. Mommy. Wait, babu. Oh. That's for the outtakes. Oh, where'd he go? He's an animal. Oh. You know what that means, Baba? Tomorrow, nothing but vegetables.